Most people think of perjury as testifying falsely in a courtroom. But a lot of people don't realize, for example, when you go to the Department of Motor Vehicles and you fill out your application for a driver's license, they ask you a lot of questions. Have you ever had a driver's license before? Have you ever had a driver's license in a different name? We're seeing a lot more prosecutions here in the state of Nevada for perjury in relation to applications for driver's license due to the fact that our state recently has decided, starting in January of 2014, to give driver's license to undocumented aliens. And some of those people may have obtained some kind of ID previously under a different name or in a different state, and they come and they file for a driver's license in the state of Nevada. They provide a thumbprint, or the state uses facial recognition technology to make certain that the applicant for a driver's license has never applied for a driver's license previously in a different name. And we're seeing a lot more of these prosecutions now when they can match someone up as having obtained a driver's license in a false name previous to a recent application.